Now I'm going to do challenge activity 7.2.3 in ZyBooks. Function call with parameters, converting measurements. Define a function, print total inches, with parameters num feet and num inches that prints the total number of inches. So we're going to convert feet and inches to just inches. So basically if we've got like 5'3", 5 times 12 is 60 plus 3 is 63. So 5'3" is 63 inches. Okay, so that's what we're trying to do. And then print it. So we're going to input the number of feet and inches and then print out the total inches. Okay, so I would make a constant here that says inches in foot equal 12. Now, we capitalize all the letters of a constant. Now, in Python, we don't have any true constants. That's really just a global variable. But if I capitalize all the letters in it, I'm telling other programmers that I want to treat that as a constant. Okay? So don't change it. If it's a constant, you're not supposed to change it. Now, the Python interpreter will allow you to change it because technically it's just another variable name that's global. Okay, so we want a function called print total inches. So you create a function by saying def, and then the name of it, print total inches. And then you need parentheses and the parameter names, num feet, comma, num inches, and then a colon. Okay, now you can have a space there if you want. A lot of programmers do. PyCharm's not going to like it. You could have a space there if you want, or more spaces. You don't have to have a space after the comma. It's traditional that you do. But whether you have a space here or not, a lot of programmers put a space there, a lot don't. It's probably a little more common not to. And again, here, you could have spaces after your paren. You could have a space there. It's all okay. It doesn't matter. The interpreter doesn't care. We need to calculate the number of inches before we can print it. So I would say, I'll call that total inches equal, and it's going to be number of feet times 12, or actually inches in foot, num feet times inches in foot plus num inches. Okay? Now, I could put parentheses around this, but I don't have to because multiplication takes precedence over addition. Now I can print total inches. And in the real world, you would probably not just print total inches. You would say the number of inches is, or something like that. Now, I can optionally say return. I don't have to have a return because I'm not returning a value. But it might be a good idea to end a function with return. And if it's in ZyBook, you want 2 blank lines here. ZyBook's going to complain. And it would want 2 blank lines there. Okay. Okay, and if we were doing it in our course, of course, we would say def main here and put all of that in main, and then we would come down here and call main. But ZyBook doesn't need to do all that and doesn't show you how to do all that. Let's try that and see if that works. Okay, I did something wrong. Oh, it does want me to say total inches. Okay. So they are doing real world. I was complaining when I should have looked first. Okay, so I should say total inches colon. Now, I'm going to go ahead and use an F string. So I'm going to put curly braces around that and then put my quote there. And I need an F in front of it if it's going to be an F string. Okay, now let's try that. There we go. Okay, so if you enter 5 and 8, 5'8", that's going to be 5 times 12 is 60 plus 8 is 68. And then 4 and 11, 4 times 12 is 48, plus 11 is 59. Okay, if you have any questions on that, send me an email or a text, and I'll talk to you next time.